Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Smart Notebook. Today we will be discussing how to find the gallery features on Smart Notebook and how to incorporate them into lesson plans and presentations. Let's begin. First, open up Smart Notebook. Then scroll to the left of your computer where you will find the gallery, as depicted over here. Then, make sure to click on the gallery and you have a list of different contents that you can incorporate into your lesson plan or presentation. There are backgrounds and themes, notebook files and pages, interactive and multimedia, and pictures. And all of these you can incorporate into your lessons. Let's begin by typing in a subject. You can type in math, and then you will be brought to a page which instructs you to choose all different types of maths. There's algebra, there's angles, there's problem solving, symmetry. As you can see, of course, I just said all these different kinds of items. So if you want to stick with algebra, you can choose one of the graphs here to include into your problems as one of your problems. And then, once you have this problem up, you can have them change the numbers up, you can have them change it down, for both to see how the line moves back and forth. So this is the interactive part on your smartboard. You can see you can bring it down, and the line moves just along as you increase and decrease the numbers. It also works with negatives, so if you want to set up a negative and positive problem, feel free to. Delete to clear that out of the way. Now for pictures, there are 25 different pictures, so I chose to use 2 X's just to show you that you can make them bigger or you can make them smaller and incorporate them into any part of your lesson. If you're working with any type of equation with variables and want to have x as an answer or x in the equation, feel free to do so. Let's move that over to the corner. You also have problem solving, where you can incorporate a video. Now this isn't the best quality, but I'm just here to show you that you can incorporate this type of video and make it work with your lesson. So if you press play, you can see that this is going to be a maze, and there's one child reading off directions for the other child to follow. So as the one child tells the other girl, or the young girl, where to go, you can see that she's listening clearly, and it's working. So she's working at a problem with someone else. Well, you saw that. Just how you can incorporate videos into the lesson. Here's an interactive game. It's called Charlie Chimps. You can press start an activity, choose one of the few options. Also, these games talk to you, so if you want to include that in your lesson plan and just click the arrows, the games will have people that instruct how to play and everything in the background. Now you can see for this problem solving, the children or whoever is doing this kind of problem will have to determine where the monkey jumps so the ball can land on the seal's head. So that's another type of problem solving. You can incorporate Venn diagrams, more than one. In one of the other tutorials, I show you how to create a Venn diagram, but feel free to use this one with more if you need to incorporate more colors. Also, there are different instruments you can use if you are in a music class or would like to incorporate music into your lesson. There's a sound down here that you can select, and it'll play the music. Oops. Let's just wait for that to cancel. So you can see though, with the little sound at the bottom of the instrument, you can click that to play, and the instrument will play the sound. This is also for special ed that I just brought up. It's one of the options you can use, and it goes through emotions and sign language, so you can incorporate that into lessons and have the children determine. Or if you're just teaching any kind of lesson plan on different moods, you can use this, or how to teach sign language. It all benefits. You can type into the search bar too if you wanted sign language, and it would bring you to this page, and you can incorporate that into your lesson. So as you can see, there are various options you can use and incorporate into the gallery, and just feel free to go through it all. If you have any questions or comments, please contact the help desk at the library or the eTurn office upstairs.